100,000 subscribers. Let's talk about that.
TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. Wow, 100 subscribers. I think it's actually 108 now. Woo! 300 subscribers! We did it, you guys. Jesus, it seems like... Wow, goddamn. 1 week ago I was celebrating 300 subscribers and now we've reached 500. Wow, Jesus Christ everybody, 1,000 subscribers, this is crazy. I never expected TipTut to grow, certainly not as fast as it has, but I never even expected to grow this big. Wow. I can't believe it. I come back from holiday to find we've soared past 5,000 subscribers, that's crazy. Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. 10,000 subscribers now. This day has come round far, far quicker than I could ever have anticipated. And it's all thanks to you. $30,000 subscribers. That is absolutely insane. Thank you so much, you guys. You have no idea how much this means to me. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to TipTut. 50,000 subscribers. That is ridiculous. Thank you so much. I never expected to actually grow this far, and certainly not this fast. Everybody and welcome back to TipTut. 75,000 subscribers. That is ridiculous. What on earth are you people doing with your time watching? 90,000 subscribers. That's insane. Let's talk about that. Hello everybody, welcome back to TipTut. Sorry for the crudeness of this video. We're redecorating at the moment and the house is just a complete tip. I don't even have space to get the green screen out or anything. I'm also just so crazily excited I couldn't wait to film it, to get the green screen out. This is insane. I know that I say that every time we do like a subscriber update video, but this is just ridiculous now. 100,000 subscribers. I can get a big YouTube button that I put on the wall and everyone will know how cool we are for being part of this incredible community. Thank you so much, guys. Honestly, it's been a tough couple of weeks, this past few weeks. Coming back from the honeymoon, I've got ridiculous blues and work's been tough and we haven't had time to do anything fun because we've been redecorating. And this is just insane. Not only did we hit 100,000 subscribers this very morning, but also this very morning, I got the results back from my final project for my university master's degree. And we're well on the way to getting graduating with highest honors, which is insane. I don't want to jinx it at the moment, but we should be on track. So this has been quite the morning, if I'm being perfectly honest. I'm freaking out a little bit. I just wanted to say thank you for helping me build such an incredible community on here. I never in my wildest dreams thought that we'd get to 100,000 subscribers at any point in time, let alone so quickly. It's only been, 3 years or so? I know some channels skyrocket much faster, but I think the difficulty with a channel like this, where we cover such a broad range of subject matter and where the subject matter isn't inherently entertaining, so people just don't watch casually. I think growing channels like this takes a long time and a lot of work. So I just wanted to thank all of you for helping me to do that and sticking with me throughout this entire journey. Sorry for how shaky this camera is. I'm literally shaking with excitement. That's how incredible this is. Man, I mean, you just watched the little montage of sort of the update videos and milestones that you've reached throughout the channel. And I couldn't have done it without you guys. You are the reason that we're at 100K, you for subscribing. So thank you so much for that. I mean, more updates as and when they come in. But for now, just thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks for being part of the TipTut zone. And I will see you all next time for another episode of TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.